Good morning, Miss Neville Science students. Happy Monday to everyone. I wanted to make sure everyone knew that we will be having a full day of classes this week for each period, first and second. We're going to be working with graphing a lot. In science, I know you may not know that scientists graph, but we definitely do. And so we're going to be learning how to graph with variables. On Monday, today, you won't have any new assignments. You're going to be working on your photosynthesis gizmo that you should be turning in today. Remember, that was assigned on Thursday, and you had Friday, the weekend, and today to complete it. If you don't have a Gizmo account, please email Miss Neville so I can help you out with that. You're also going to want to make sure you know that you have two new assignments that will be released on Tuesday, no new assignments that will be released on Wednesday, no new assignments that will be released on Thursday, and then Friday you have your plants, processes, and adaptations test. Yes, everything we've learned about plants so far will be tested on Friday. The test will open at 7:30 and it will close at 5:30 in the evening. If you have any questions for me, please make sure you email me. Reminder about attendance. It's important that you remember there's two ways for you to be counted present virtually. You can either attend the live session, and I'm able to take roll from looking at who's here. Remember to get to class on time. That class, I'm able to look at the lobby for the first 4 minutes of each class period. So you'll want to make sure that you're getting to class on time so that you're counted present if you're attending the live session. If you don't attend the live session, I've got plenty of kids who don't attend live sessions, but they're still counted virtually present. You want to make sure you complete the day's assignments. In Schoology, Miss Neville's able to get a timestamp where I'm able to see what time and what date you completed the assignment. So if you're not able to get into the live session, your internet's being wonky, it happens to all of us, you want to make sure that you are completing the day's assignment in Schoology to still be counted virtually present. I'll see everyone in class this morning. Bye-bye.